And now the news in detail. The Goa Vigilance Department, started with loads and loads of cases of corruption against politicians and bureaucrats, got a much needed boost with the Goa Cabinet on Wednesday, sanctioning 37 more posts for the department. All these posts are to be filled by the state government within a month, the Chief Minister told the media at a customary post-cabinet press briefing. The decision is an indicator that Parrikar intends to turn the heat on the tainted opposition politicians in Goa, especially those who have held positions in the government during the previous Digambar Kamath government. At least 3 ministers from the previous Digambar Kamath cabinet are facing prosecution for their role in the hurried large-scale recruitment on the eve of the 2012 assembly polls, besides a PWD scam case in which an FIR has been booked against Churchill Alamang.
Of Directorate of Vigilance, for which 24 and 7 posts, 31 posts of various categories can be विजिलन्साच्यो अनेक गजाली स्लो आसपाचें एक कारण म्हणजे थंय कमी आशिल्लो स्टाफ त्यामुळे 24 न्यू पोस्ट आर क्रिएटेड and 7 posts which were never filled since very long time, more than 5 years, have been revived. So 31 additional posts are given to vigilance and anti-corruption, so that corruption level also comes down, and vigilance inquiries, which take very long time, creating harassment actually more than the punishment, also are taken care, so that cases which are pending for 8 years, 10 years can be speeded up. That is the cabinet. ते सगळें आसा कितें 1-2-4 कितें पॉयंट आहा पूण आतां नवो लोकायुक्तच अपॉयंट करूंक जाय. सगळें आसा विजिलन्स ऑफिसर हे ते पोस्ट जाय तुका कसले तुमकां. सिनियर टेक्निकल एग्जामिनर 1, डेप्युटी सुपरिटेंडेंट ऑफ पुलीस 2, PI 2. सिनियर टेक्निकल एग्जामिनर म्हणजे इन द चीफ इंजिनियर ब्रॅकेट पोस्ट 1. मागीर पुलीस इन्स्पेक्टर 2, पुलीस सब इन्स्पेक्टर 2, हेड कॉन्स्टेबल 2, पुलीस कॉन्स्टेबल 3, लेडी पुलीस कॉन्स्टेबल 1, विजिलन्स ऑफिसर 2, विजिलन्स असिस्टंट 4, मागीर UDC 3, हेड क्लार्क 1, अकाउंटंट 1 तरी. मागीर डायरेक्टर ऑफ विजिलन्स हो पोस्ट लॅप्स जाल्लो तो क्रिएट केलो. डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर ऑफ विजिलन्स अगेन लॅप्स पोस्ट हॅज बीन क्रिएटेड. टेक्निकल एग्जामिनर 1 पोस्ट लॅप्स जाल्लो. असिस्टंट टेक्निकल एग्जामिनर 2 पोस्ट लॅप्स जाल्ले. सुपरिटेंडंट ऑफ पुलीस 1 पोस्ट लॅप्स जाल्लो आनी पुलीस सब इन्स्पेक्टर 1 पोस्ट लॅप्स जाल्लो. सो दीज आर रिवायड पोस्ट एंड दीज आर क्रिएटेड पोस्ट. वर्च्युअली डिपार्टमेंट जे आतां एक 10-15 लोकांचें आहा तें तिब्रात सायजीचें आसलें, सो दॅट केसीस कॅन बी स्पिडेड अप फास्टर. ना तांकां दिता पडटलो जागे वेगळे मेळटले. हां पेंडन्सीक 2-3 गजाली खातीर वता. गोंय हें ल्हान असल्यामुळे अनेक प्रकारचे पुल्स अँड प्रेशर्स आर ऑलवेज एक्झिस्टिंग एवरीवेर. So there are some reasons, but one reason is always cited is lack of manpower. So with this creation and within a 1 month I have directed them to fill it. If they have a problem filling it on regular basis, go on contract. So most of these are deputation posts. So it's not very difficult to fill in within a month's time. So by July we will see that full scale vigilance department will be functional. After that they will get a target of completing cases within a particular, like you can say that any case more than 3 years should be cleared within 6 months or 9 months. Time bound. But that can be given only when you have manpower. At this moment they hardly have any manpower. 10 वर्साच्यो आतां केसी पेंडींग आहा. कितल्यो केसी त्यो म्हाका खबर ना, पण more so for me it's not number which is important, is number of years. If there are 100 cases, no, the mining doesn't go to vigilance, that goes to SIT. Now haja whatever SIT स्ट्रेंथन करता. प्रॉब्लेम जाला की नवीन स्टाफ जो घेतला पुलीस बिलीस, दे आर नॉट ऑन द फील्ड सो फार. कॉन्स्टेबल विल कम ऑन द फील्ड ऑन 21 जून. फुडल्या म्हयन्याचे 21 तारखेक ड्युटेर सगळे परीक्षा सोंपोवन आपली म्हणजे ट्रेनिंग सोंपोवन येतले कॉन्स्टेबल. PSI सिलेक्टेड 86 who are taking training will come back only in the month of September or October. So currently we have to work with the existing one, which is a very old force. PI and PSI, most of them are retiring in next 2-3 years in lot. So त्या एजीचेर तितलो जिगर उरना न्ही. कितें म्हणटात तो कसलो तो हांगा पिक्चर जाल्लो तो कसलो गोंयांत सिंगम उरना त्या हातून. म्हणजे उडी मारपाक गेलो जाल्यार कस्सो जाता कमर. म्हणजे हांव कळपाक सांगता तातूनच आसा प्रोविजन आहा. वन ऑफ द सिनियर DYSP and a team is meant for disproportionate asset analysis.
Number of retirement people in police, any idea? Number of retirement personnel.
PSI हांवें काडलेले 27 काय 28 जाण फुडल्या वर्सा भितर ह्या वर्सा भितर रिटायर जातात. They have been promoted, but almost at the fag end of their career. I promoted them, but they are retiring very fast. Anyway, that is not the issue.